Okay, everybody, this is a really random video follow-up to the Wax RX. Many of you guys watched my video. Many of you guys complained that I wasn't doing it hard enough. So it's like 10:40 right now, and I decided to do it again. I put this, the removal aid drops, I put those in first. I walked around. I had like 2 dishes, 2, 3. It wasn't like that many dishes. It's like nighttime. But you guys, I did the Wax RX hard. I'm a fool for your love. So the first time, it's just hard because you're doing it to yourself, and it's a little scary when you're doing it to yourself. It just, when you do this on yourself, it's very bizarre, you guys. So the first time you do it, like how you saw me in the other video, I will link it below. It's bizarre, and it's really nerve-wracking to kind of do that really hard on yourself to your ear. You feel like you're gonna hurt yourself. It is the most oddest feeling. But I am done. It is, like I said, 10:40 or something at night. I went ahead, I did it. I pressed it harder. All of you guys were mad at me for not pressing it harder. I pressed it harder, and I got a little more out tonight. Are you guys ready for this reveal? It is just so gross. Okay, here it is. Oh my God. That was in my ear. And you guys, that doesn't even look like wax. What is that? Oh. I'm not doing this anymore. Someone else has to do this on me, because the crazy thing is too, is I could feel like something was coming out. And you guys, I stopped and I looked and I could see it. And it almost looked like there's a little monster sitting there. You got this weird thing that like you're trying to do to yourself. It's bizarre. If you guys are interested in getting it, get it. It works. I suggest that someone helps you though, because this right here, like, I'm done for the night. Wax RX works. Get it. Be safe. Follow the directions. It works. It works. I cannot believe this. This is gross. And that it doesn't look like wax. I don't know what the hell that is. I'm grossed out. I'm grossed out. I'm done. And if there's anything else in my ears, I'm gonna have to have. I gotta have hubby do it for me. Like I can't. It has to be done to me. I can't. I'm done.